Hey guys, welcome back to Coding Flamingo. In this video we're going to change how the loading looks. So right now let me just start it up. And when we go to here, it says, it says loading. It's alright, but it can look better. So let's change that. So let's go to the users page. So right now, if you see in here, we just have it having loading. We're gonna add a NuGet packet, which comes from here. So it's this one, BlazorPro Spinkit. Basically, what it does, it gives you different loading options. And honestly, I'm just gonna be following these instructions. So let me move it to the other side. First, we're gonna install it. You can install it in Packet Manager. We can install it with .NET, or just using the managed NuGet packages. This time we're gonna do it with Packet Manager. So got installed. Next, we have to go to our imports, the Razor, and we have to add using this to make it available in all pages. Technically, you could put it only in your page where you're going to use it and just put it there, but in here it makes it available for the whole thing. And after that, we can honestly just add it to the right class because I'm not in the right class. So in this one I chose Chase. They have multiple ones. The best way to test it out is you put all of them and then you choose the one you like. So now let's try it out. And I'm missing the JavaScript one. Sorry, see? That's why you should read everything. Let me just add it to the host. So here, you just add this. And now it should work. So there you go. It's spinning, and then it comes up. And they also realize that a lot of people use it for tables while they're loading. And people just have the, if it's a null, do this, else do that. And they created another way of doing it, which is pretty cool. So they created their own thing here, so we can get rid of this and just encapsulate our table with this and change this. So now if it's loading, it'll use the spin loader. So let's try it out. And see, it worked. So now you don't have to use the whole the if statement. It saves you a few lines of code. It's all part of it. Now it looks cleaner. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.